everybody, Shane McCarthy here from Swift Pain Relief, here today to show you the HiDow AcuBelt. This is one of our accessories. It's one of our most used accessories. It comes with the Pro Plus and Pro Premium package. It is a non-sticky accessory, and for that reason it does come with a little vial of conductor spray to help you add conductivity to it. I do recommend though having one of our bigger bottles of perfect conductor spray from swiftpainrelief.com. Getting right into it, take your wireless pro device as you see here. Now with this accessory, because it's like this, it's got its two connection spots right here. You can take this receiver, turn it on, and plunk it right on there, making it 100% completely wireless. Now this comes with both a small strap. This one here is to be used to strap around your arms or legs. And then this one can be used to strap all the way around your waist, lower back, hips, core. This particular accessory, now with the Pro Wireless, it does come with the sticky back pad. You can also purchase the sticky back pad from us on swiftpainrelief.com. But this one is good for if you need to be in motion. So you can strap the device on, set it to a mode and intensity that works for you, and go about your day and not have to worry about the sticky pads falling off. So like all of our devices, like all of our accessories, they are here to help you treat your pain without the use of drugs, recover from the pain causing you injury, and increase muscle performance, therefore preventing future injuries.